Hello, Nishit.
Hi,
Am I
Akshay.
visible and am I
How are
audible?
you?
Hi.
Yes,
Hi,
yes.
hi, hi, hi. Okay.
अच्छा
To
लग रहा
those
है
who will see
देख
this later, I'm really, I'm pretty sure कोई ज़्यादा आने नहीं वाला है अभी. But to those who view this
हम्म
later, the reason why we are doing this session is just to अभी just हमें पता भी चला, just to test out if everything works out fine. So
करेक्ट
this is one of the top learnings is that before going full whole hog into something, even if it looks beautiful, उसको तुरंत टेस्ट कर लो रियल वर्ल्ड में. So this is actually a test. We wanted to be sure that everything works out fine before we go into the first Q&A and then the discussions. But besides that, we also wanted to share with you, and I'm going to keep this session informal, 15-20 minutes.
या
Nishit will also join in. Uh, on the things that we've created or we've worked on or built and we've learned from it. तो ऐसा है कि अगर if you put it in a mailer or a blog post, we didn't feel it would make much of an impact. एंड उसमें से जो लर्निंग्स है वो बाहर नहीं आती, जो हमें कैंडिडेट चीजें जो शेयर करनी है वो नहीं आती. तो मुझे लगा यार दिस इज द बेस्ट वे एंड इट टर्न्स आउट दैट दिस इज अ ग्रेट वे टू टेस्ट थिंग्स आउट एज वेल. आई लेट यू नो एट द एंड क्या टेस्ट हुआ या नहीं हुआ. But yeah, the first thing is anyway, Nishit, anything to start with because दोनों की बातें सुननी है इसमें. It's not just me
या
talking this time.
क्या कोई या to I think start with I think कोई the one who will see it later.
हाँ
Context obviously we both are co-founders in case you are new and you will view it later,
हाँ.
right? First of all, we didn't expect such kind of response.
Yeah, how many?
जो अभी ऑडियंस पास के लिए मिला है that's
कितने लोग हैं?
wonderful. I think more than 30-35 roughly right now.
और
So
हमने
which
कल
is
रात को 11 बजे भेजा ऑलमोस्ट वो मेल.
correct, exactly. Yeah. So
एंड
that
सोशल
is
पे भी डाला
so,
नहीं.
yeah. So
या
that is the time
इट्स गुड, इट्स
we
गुड.
try to launch because we committed a date yesterday. तो हमने कर दिया. But yeah, learnings वो बाद में आते हैं. So I think I will start with the context first. I think again just because we are doing it for the first time and we also got a feedback. Yeah, WC is not a term, right? Because we thought that people are familiar now. But just to give a context, we started this as an experiment of weekly challenges last year, first lockdown, if you are in India, right? When COVID started. And we were very skeptical with how, our community or in general, PM aspirant, they will respond to it or designers will respond to it. But
Right.
look at now, like when I was, I didn't get much time to, step back and see where are we. But I think I will say like both. I think more. I think Akshay deserves the pat on his back.
अरे
That
म्यूचुअल अप्रिसिएशन है यहाँ पे, ऐसा कुछ
we
अक्षय
are
वगैरह
we
नहीं
are
है.
in season 5,
या
and this looks very good. Like what we have been able to achieve, over the last like 1 year.
चलो चलो ये सब बाद में करेंगे, इस पे बाद में आएंगे. आई थिंक लेट्स गेट
Yes,
इनटू इट बिकॉज अदरवाइज
correct.
जनता बोर हो जाएगी, बोलेगी अपनी खुद की बड़ाई करने आ गए. बट या आई थिंक दैट क्रेडिट वेयर
Yeah,
क्रेडिट्स यू. आई थिंक इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक ऑफरिंग दैट हैज बीन बिल्ट एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट अस, इट इज आल्सो द कम्युनिटी
correct.
बिकॉज without the community this doesn't happen, right? हम प्रोडक्ट डाल सकते हैं बट कम्युनिटी का
Exactly.
कंट्रीब्यूशन एंड देयर एक्साइटमेंट टुवर्ड्स इट. उन्होंने ही बोला कि वीकली कब आ रहा है नेक्स्ट, तो हमने और प्रायोरिटाइज किया. अदरवाइज इट
Right.
वाज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल लेटर. Thanks to wave 2 because wave 2 में हमारा पूरा momentum kind of खत्म हो चुका था. So we had to pick ourselves up and that's why we are back with this. The genesis of this page, so I'll start with that, is that those who've been part of weekly, they know that there was a WhatsApp group you joined, तो वहां पे एक लिंक आता था, तो उसका डिस्कशन होता था. फिर कुछ सैटरडे का एक डिस्कशन हमने लास्ट टाइम चालू किया था, उसका एक लिंक आता था. बिखरी बिखरी से चीजें थी. And it was an event that was happening over a month and a half period. तो हमने बोला यार why do it this way? Why can't we do it in a way कि यार लोगों को भी मजा है, ठीक है, लोगों को भी अच्छा लगे, हमें भी मजा है कि यार हम किसी को बता रहे. एंड वो एलिमेंट ना है कि यू हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द चैलेंज, दैट दैट बैरियर, दैट ब्लॉक कि यार यू हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट. Like friends and family, they will never participate in UX hack weekly challenges because उनको तो सबमिट कभी करना ही नहीं. But I can vouch, quite a few of my family and friends have said, "अरे यार बढ़िया है, मजा आ गया." Some are going to also join the sessions, which is great, right? Which is the enabler that we wanted to do. It's not just people who are designers or PMs or want to be PMs,
Correct.
but anybody who is interested in these products, in products in general or design in general. And obviously ये जो products भी choose ऐसे ही किए ताकि वो interesting रहे. So that was the whole idea. But the inspiration behind, so Nishit asked me, अरे inspiration ये page के लिए कैसा है? तो बहुत ही simple सा page. but that is because it has come
And
through
just
like this, right?
sorry, just I'll jump in. And
Yeah.
this is the first dark theme kind of page we have.
हाँ, actually second है, पहला वाला भी launch नहीं हुआ इसलिए, so that is also coming.
हाँ, okay, तो अभी ये first हो गया ना?
हाँ, live में ये पहला वाला है. There's a lot of skepticism around it. We were very skeptical. We were doing a project for a client, यार ये dark theme, it's just the hoopla. But let me be honest, at least 2-3 लोगों को जिन्होंने मैंने share किया personal network से, but they said यार ये Netflix जैसा लग रहा है या ये streaming जैसा कुछ लग रहा है. And I think that's a good, good feedback.
Yeah.
So I'm slightly proud of that, but wanted to, just give that context कि ये आया कैसे. But इसके पीछे थोड़े inspirations थे. So I'm a Formula One fan, right? And I follow the Grand Prix, week in week out. And I realized कि यार ये लोग भी एक kind of season run कर रहे हैं, right? They run that entire season, right? So if you go to the Formula One page, and I really request you to see how they build the digital asset that is Formula One, right? So there's this Formula One जो physical races होती है, आपको interest है नहीं, chuck that. But look at the digital asset they've built. There's also a case study, I'll share it later on. अभी conversations भी होंगे बहुत सारे, we can enable आराम से. There's a case study on this also, how this around 2017 they did a turnaround. तो इन्होंने ऐसा scheduling, मैंने ये देखा कि यार ये बढ़िया है, upcoming races दिख रहे हैं, कब आ रहा है वगैरह, time वगैरह दिख रहा है. So I got really curious कि यार ऐसा कुछ, मतलब I hadn't thought कि यार ऐसा बनाना है. But this gave a very clear view कि क्या हो रहा है, right? And I am just an audience. And I realized कि हमारे पास भी ऐसा एक group of people है जो who may not be 100% involved. They might be involved in, one particular event or one particular challenge or one particular thing. But उनके लिए ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. You get in and you have to be a participant. So this was one inspiration or one thing that kind of, nudged me to create that page or design that page. The other was Apple Podcast. ये अभी बहुत loose है. Apple Podcast and Voice Podcast. These guys also have like, कि past क्या podcast हुए, next कब आ रहा है, and all of that. It's an RSS feed based thing. But the way it's presented it just made me feel that you could have something like a description. We also have it. And these ideas kind of, combined over a period of time. And then उसके बाद वो Genesis होके थोड़े कभी तो, I think it was just last week we decided, हाँ ये करना है, कर सकते नहीं, right?
Yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong. मैंने बोला ये mock बनाओ या ना. I was skeptical mock भी बनाने में effort डालूं या ना डालूं. I think exactly 1 week back we decided क्या करते हैं, and then that entire engine was built, and that engine is fantastic. So all that you see here is dynamic, right? So ये static नहीं है. तो let me be honest. ये joining जो था, this was not, it has not got passed or something. So we just got curious. तो ये अभी pass हो गया, तो it's working for those who joined in. But this is all dynamic content. All of these are dynamic cards. Even this is a dynamic card. Yes, it is residing in a static place, but it gets pulled down बेसिस अ टाइमलाइन एंड वो अपने आप चलते रहता है. तो इसके बाद जो इवेंट है वो इसके बाद लाइन अप है. तो ये जैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा इसके बाद नेक्स्ट. आई नो, आई मीन इट्स अ गिवन थिंग, बट फॉर अस इट्स अ वेरी प्राउड थिंग बिकॉज हमने खुद बनाया, एक 1.5 हफ्ते में बनाया. And it has been a culmination of a lot of things that we've been creating over a period of time. The thumbnails है, ये है वगैरह है. So yeah, feel very happy about that. From that, I want to come to something that is not there, मतलब है but इतना visible नहीं है. So these are, and I'll add it over to Nishit, and we are really excited for this. Is the discussion forums. ठीक है, तो ये अभी ये design, this is how it is supposed to look. थोड़े UI fixes वगैरह होने वाले, तो just wait for that. But yeah, functionally it's fine. But you will get to see a discussion forum which we have created via Discourse. So Nishit, I hand it over to you. तो ये कैसे बना, क्यों बनाया और क्या है? I think we are 10 minutes in, तो 5 मिनट तो है आपके पास. Please go ahead. Love to hear कैसे बनाया.
Sure, cool. So I'm not sure. So Discourse is, basically a community forum. जैसे कि आप कोई भी community ले लो. I'm not sure whether यहाँ पे जो audience है Reddit या Hacker News, if you have heard of it.
वहाँ से कोई response नहीं आने वाला.
You these are very powerful communities who are built, covered in open source.
Yeah.
I think थोड़ा वही मैंने बोला था ना, नेट का शायद issue.
हाँ.
Is it fine now?
It's fine. If you want to
turn off
your video, if you want to turn off your video, that will also help. Video off कर दो, better हो जाएगा.
Yeah. Is it better now?
Yeah.
So Discourse, how we discovered. So this is as a need. I think वही हमारी community. We generally evolve based on जो हमारा community feedback देता है. So a lot of times, people obviously अक्षय को reach out करते थे, मुझे reach out करते थे, like, can we get a place where, we can see कौन है members, या can we discuss on certain topics, जो probably, let's say they are facing some job issue on their UX or product. So can we get a place like that? So हम लोग we actually, you know, there was a procrastination because we knew कि यार scratch से बनाने जाएंगे तो it doesn't make sense because we don't know कि how much, you know, it will be validated. But luckily then we figured out, I think yet this tool got discovered, Discourse, and this is being used by very popular players.
Yeah, let me jump in here. तो इसका भी एक inspiration है. तो I remember conversation. I think मैंने इनका देखा था, and I am sure a lot of you have seen this. तो Zerodha का एक trading Q&A platform है, and I just went in and I said, wow यार इनकी design team कितनी amazing है. कितना बढ़िया चीज बना है, and because the sliders, the way it was moving and all of those things, I was like यार ये design किया इन्होंने यार, कैसे किया है, and we had no idea what discourses also. Absolutely no clue, but this side वाला जो दिख रहा है ना, मैंने बोला यार ये कौन है, ये कौन डिजाइनर्स है, इनके पता करो है ना. We actually looked up some profiles also, कौन है ये डिजाइनर लोग. Then निशित को मैंने जब दिया, he said कि this is built on Discourse, and we kind of then found out Discourse. Then today also we found out कि Brave का भी community इस पे based है. So a lot of communities are actually based on this. And yeah, forums are 1980s and लोग अभी Slack पे जा रहे हैं, but इसका एक value है. निशित continue.
Yeah, so yeah, personally, I think what actually we believe, right? So ultimately, the Slacks इनका वो ubiquitous है, WhatsApp as we were using.
Yeah.
But somehow, then see, हमारे I will be very honest, like so much as we said, right? Weekly has moved, like we are on season 5. But अगर अभी कोई हमसे पूछे यार season 4 तक क्या क्या हुआ है, from a community perspective, we can't really show because everything is in WhatsApp, right?
Yeah.
So that is a very big limitation है, क्योंकि वी आर जो अट्रैक्ट होता है वो होता है हमारे जो लैंडिंग पेज पे आएंगे, या लिंक्डइन पे जो शेयर करते हैं, बट अल्टीमेटली देन वी डू नॉट हैव मच टू शो, राइट? ऑब्वियसली स्क्रीनशॉट्स व्हाट्सएप पे ऑब्वियसली कोई क्यों दिखाएगा,
those articles, those links, sometimes good discussions. I remember Amazon पे बहुत बढ़िया डिस्कशन हो रहा था, वो कहीं है नहीं, gone. I mean,
so those are the points, right? So I think, and ultimately see we I don't know, मतलब वो एक अलग टॉपिक है कि we are culmination of a lot of things. We are a community, we are a hackathon platform, बहुत चीजें हैं, but the point is, yeah, this is something fits in very well with our overall जो हम करना चाह रहे हैं.
Yeah, and the other advantage that I also realize is that this is great for SEO, right? So these forums and search
there's a business
there's a business angle to it that also comes in. Like for example, Slack, if you do it in Slack, there are two things with Slack which I have an issue. One is that it doesn't go out of Slack, which in a way is good. But that affects your SEO, and I mean you can't get traffic in. So somebody who's curious on a UX topic searches for that topic, और वो तुमने डिस्कस किया उसके बारे में, बाहर दुनिया को कोई आ नहीं सकता. So that is one. The other is the overwhelming nature of it, right? If you're part of say 5 communities, and it happened to me, and I logged out of all of them unfortunately. कि यार 5 अगर है तो तुम्हारा वर्क भी, and we work on Slack, तो काम भी चल रहा है, वो भी है, तो वो दिखते, just the notification icon वहाँ दिखते हुए ही distracts. And the minute you click on it, there is like a thread of 20-30 things, and you just like forget it, नहीं पढ़ना है. तो इसमें कैसा है, इसमें वैसा नहीं है. There's no notification, there's nothing. You want to consume, you go and consume. You don't want to consume, you don't consume. And the possibilities are limited. Obviously, the context here is कि ये weekly का part है, तो weekly में ऐसे होगा कि we'll have the WhatsApp groups that we used to have. We are not just shutting them down. We'd love to just shut them down, but we know कि it's not that easy. So we'll have them, but we'll have the discussions here also, and there will be some nice things that we'll discuss here. अभी जो बातें हो रही है, we can put them, पोल कर सकते हैं, जो करना कर सकते हैं. And the most important part, जो बाद में भी join करेगा उसको भी access मिलेगा, सब कुछ दिखेगा. And yeah, access control है. So only the participants of that challenge or that event. So here it's season 5 get access to season 5. Then there is a general forum which we'll obviously build. So if we are looking for volunteers, soon we'll put that out.
In fact, you can try. You guys can try it out.
Yeah, in fact, it's the common login. So just go to this page, forum.uxhack.co. We'll share these links later on as the season progresses. And you can also start creating threads. We have to seed this with some good conversations. There's already something called Jomo. वहाँ के भी यहाँ पे ले आएंगे थोड़े. Those who don't know about Jomo, तो वो थोड़ा feed या थोड़े mailer में check कर लो. उसका full all launch बाद में करेंगे. बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, मजा आता है वो बनाने. ठीक है, fair. From this I want to come to the one part that कि अच्छा ठीक है तुम event कर रहे हो, but यार to keep a track it's very difficult, right? So one thing I wanted to do, and again this is का भी inspiration so to speak is from Formula 1. When I was here, तो इनका क्या रहता है, एक event, so as you can see, right, one is happening in Austria, the other is happening in Great Britain, one is happening in different Abu Dhabi, Azerbaijan. So the time of the event and the date of the event is different every single time. So it's very easy to forget and miss an event, right? The live event, it's real fun. I mean, you can go for the recording and the highlights, etc. But live देखने में जो मजा है वो उसमें नहीं है. तो इन्होंने quite a few event guys do this. I don't know whether people use it or not, but for me it's been a great nudge, right? So you can get a calendar of the event, and as you've seen, right, हमने भी वैसे ही किया हुआ है. अभी वो sync वाला उतना perfect नहीं है because mobile पे I don't think you'll get it. But if you do it on desktop, it'll ask you to log in onto Google Calendars. So once you click on this, you'll see the entire schedule once you're logged in, and it will add it to your calendar. And then you can set whether you want to get notified or not. And वहाँ पे link भी आएगा, अभी नहीं है. But you can directly come to the page when the event is happening. I think that is a great way of creating a nudge rather than मेलर पढ़ो, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पढ़ो, वो भी डालेंगे वो चैनल्स वैनल्स, बट वी रियलाइज कि यार इट इज मोर ऑफ पुल रादर देन पुश करते जाओगे, पीपल डोंट एंजॉय दैट एंड एवरीबॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू गेन योर अटेंशन, राइट? सो सोशल पे डालो, यहाँ डालो, वहाँ डालो, जिसको इंटरेस्ट हुआ फॉर श्योर. वी क्रिएट द कंटेंट, वी क्रिएट इट सो वेल दैट पीपल आर रियली इंटरेस्टेड एंड दे जॉइन इन, एंड दैट वाज द आइडिया, राइट, टू क्रिएट दैट. तो यहाँ पे आप क्लिक करोगे, मोबाइल पे ये नहीं होगा, मोबाइल पे ओनली, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई गूगल हैज डन इट दैट. मोबाइल पे बहुत बेकार व्यू है इसका, और वो भी आएगा. यू विल गेट एन आईकैल फाइल, iCal file which you can directly add to your calendar. वो just आएगा shortly. Apart from that, I think एक और चीज है, one more thing as you mentioned, right, कि you can then connect to your who all are the participants. तो अभी ये dummy, as I said, this is the Figma file, and ये सब हमारे community members. Sorry, I'm using your photos, but you can then connect with them, and this will actually take you to the forum page, right? तो वो सब भी होगा. You'll get to see who all is there. This was also a request because sometimes क्या होता है WhatsApp group में कौन है, क्या है, किधर है, वो पता नहीं चलता. वहां नंबर तो है बट वो कनेक्ट होना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है. यहाँ पे स्लाइटली कैजुअल तरीके से हो सकता है, प्लस एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट भी रहता है. So that is an element. It actually gives a much more community feel, is what we feel. And besides that, obviously, this page will have, for those who opted for it, you'll get to see the recordings as well as the solutions. Yeah, and also previously जो हुआ है, अभी जो recording होगा वो भी दिखेगा. And yeah, polls. Actually दो और चीजें, but वो अभी मैं बात नहीं करूँगा because रेडी नहीं है. जैसे रेडी हो जाएगा हम आपको वो भी पुश कर देंगे. But yeah, that is
something very very interesting.
क्या बताओ?
वो भी I think नहीं boy, I think we'll talk it. I think that is something I am personally very excited.
Yeah, Nishit is very excited. Voting, right? So excited that Nishit ने इसमें से time निकाल के उसमें डाल दिया. Yeah, and it's a good feature. It's a very nice feature. But it'll take time to come along, and it depends on you guys getting involved in it. But yeah, we'll come out with that soon. Apart from that, top learnings. I think one very important learning. I mean, we've been creating products for some time now, right? Me and Nishit both. In different capacities. ये UX hack खुद ही बना एक बड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट है जो इवेंट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट है, लेकिन है प्रोडक्ट. एल्डोराडो भी उसके अंदर का प्रोडक्ट है. बट आई वुड से आज भी बहुत सारे लर्निंग्स है. एक तो ये कैलेंडर फ्लो वगैरह करना आज तक कभी किया नहीं था, कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी थी. ऐसा इवेंट लॉन्च ऐसा तो नहीं किया था. मतलब वी ऑलवेज रिलाइड ऑन मेल भेजेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, SMS भेजेंगे, ऑल ऑफ दोज चैनल्स एट एयरटेल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट ये थोड़ा सा अलग था मेरे लिए. सो देयर वाज लर्निंग कि ये iCal फॉर्मेट क्या होता है. Those were the product side learnings, but the human side learnings, कि यार prioritize कैसे करना है, कि लोगों को motivate कैसे करना है. I think we'll talk about that later on. I have another event for the paid people planned, like deep dives. Let's see if that comes along. तब मैं वो learning, human side elements जो है, वो learning share करूँ. Nishit, from your side, technology side, what were the learnings from this creation of this page वगैरह?
Yeah, I think interesting was, I think वो discourse को पूरा integrate करना है automatic way में.
Yeah.
Learning.
Yeah.
It's in fact, it's very interesting that not many people talk about it. How
actually
वो हमने बोला ना कि कितना requirement
Slack को बहुत Slack, Discord, all of these get a lot of weight, but the power that Discourse has, and it's free, right? Okay, the other point, guys, Discourse is free. You can just, it's like WordPress, you can just integrate it and you can create it by yourself. That entire forum you can run it by yourself on your own server. You have to buy the server, obviously.
Yeah, you need to buy a server. Yeah.
But that's $5, $10. वो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. But yeah, a fantastic thing. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully people will adopt it. It really does depend on how people adopt it. It'll be a slow thing. We hope people take to it. Correct. That is pretty much it. So the next challenge, or rather the first challenge is, the first challenge is on Zomato. We just could not ignore it. हमने इस पे challenge already, somebody said यार already कर चुके क्यों करे. But yeah, there is something very interesting that they're doing or trying to do, or we are hoping they do. It's around nutrition and well-being. You'll get the challenge details soon, most likely tomorrow, and we'll see you on this page only. हमें यहाँ ही होगा सब. अभी जो बातें होगी WhatsApp पे भी होगी, वो ग्रुप में फोरम में भी होगी. But keep visiting this page. You'll get the updates here. And for those who are just viewing this and have not opted for the pass for some reason, it's free. जाके ले लो. नीचे लिंक में ये YouTube पे जब जाएगा तो description में लिंक होगा. Go and take it. Even if you're not interested in these products, just listening to people and looking at solutions, etc. I think थोड़ा ना थोड़ा तुम्हें फायदा तो होगा. All right, guys. Thanks for joining in. Those who have joined, I don't know, अभी मेरे को पता नहीं कोई join भी किया है नहीं. But those who join in, thank you so much. Look forward to seeing you. I hope you're healthy also. Sorry, I did not get to ask how you guys are doing first up. It was been a torrid time for the last couple of months for a lot of people, but I think we are all doing pretty well now. So it's good time to start getting involved in products and have discussions. Really looking forward to ये कैसे build up होता है और कैसे चलता है. Products तो बढ़िया है, बहुत exciting है. The things they are doing also very exciting. The spaces they have is also very exciting. So really looking forward to it. And yeah, I'll see you. I think the first Q&A is next plan कब है? Friday को है. So Friday is when I'll see the participants. We'll see you then, and we'll keep seeing you soon. Yeah. As the event progresses, do join the forum also. It's at forum.uxhack.o. Both links will be there. You can start your thread. We'll be putting some threads on, but yeah, ये है अभी weekly के लिए, धीरे उसमें बढ़ते जाएगा. And yeah, that's it. So thanks so much. Good night for now, and I'll see you soon. चलो निशित. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.